Now, there's no sense in wasting such a tasty Sunday. The sky's blue, the beer's cold, and well, that's all that matters.
All right, we got some mud. We're gonna see if we can take the 4Runner through it. But I guarantee you, it's gonna swallow that thing when we get to the mucky muck. Ooh!
It's still got a pretty deep bottom. It's not too deep. No, it's still got a pretty.
You remember what happened in Utah?
Let's walk down here to this paddle, though.
Dude, there's so many nails everywhere.
Out here. Yeah, down here it looks like it stays wet a lot. Look.
Oh,
That was like your butter ass.
dude.
Look at it.
My butter ass?
Yeah, your butter ass, look.
Oh my god. Dude.
Oh, might have to try it.
Ah, what a sissy boy.
Dude, I'm not going through the rest. That's nasty. Oh my god. I don't like mud.
I do.
Majestic and wild, maybe a bit unhinged.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
Hell yeah, brother. That ponytail alone gives this boy all the confidence he'll ever need.
So many nails out here, man. Y'all haven't noticed yet, I got no idea what the hell I'm doing on a bike, other than having as much fun as possible, having a blast. That's all that matters.
You about to load up? I'll do one little lap if you don't mind.
Go ahead. If you watch a motocross race now, they're on their seat a lot.
A lot. They found out that being in the air isn't fast. Being down and going is fast. Keeping that.
Yep. Scrubbing and seat there.
Yeah, Bubba Scrub.
out of the hat.